How to change a 2019 Dodge Journey 3-button key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Alright, let's go ahead and change the battery out on our 3-button Dodge Journey remote. With that being said, if you have a lanyard or a key ring attached right here, you will need to remove that because this remote needs to come apart. Let's go ahead and flip the remote over. You got your emergency key blade release right here. Pull that down. It is spring loaded, and just set that to the side. With that being said, this task you will need a flat tip screwdriver. The emergency blade came out here, and right here is a little indentation. Hold the remote firmly, and you are going to twist, not pry, the remote. And the housing popped open. Don't open it yet. Set it face down, because you're going to worry about that circuit board. If that circuit board were to have moved, you'll notice there's a little indentation in the circuit board. Then you got a little plastic peg. Now, you're going to take your flat tip screwdriver, come 180 across, take the corner, and just pop it up under here, and the battery pops up. This is a CR2032 battery. This is also a new remote, so I am going to put it back together. Go ahead and put it against, push down, take the 2 halves, squeeze it together. There you go, you've just changed out your battery. Put your emergency blade back in. Hey, thanks again for watching, and let's be safe out there.